So here's a very, very cool, easy way to get windfall sales for your Amazon product. Windfall sales for your Amazon product. So a couple of quick little preliminary things here. So the first thing we have to assume is that your product is set up properly. Good images, good title, blah, 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 blah. All of that's done properly, okay? Next thing we have to assume is you've got yourself some reviews. Don't run PPC until you've got reviews. Not a good idea. At least 5 reviews for Amazon PPC. Then you can switch on paid traffic, okay? With those two things being said, here's what we can do. Question for you guys. When somebody launches their product on Amazon, now this is normally when people aren't in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, okay? Most folks in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, those folks who listen and watch what we do anyway, know better than to do this. But most folks, when they launch their product on Amazon, they will turn on some kind of launching mechanism. And what that mechanism does is it gets people to go to your Amazon product listing to buy your product, okay? Somebody give me a product idea, and let's go and see. Let's go and have a look at see if we can show you, use a product idea to show you how to do this. First one that comes in, we're going to use that one. What have we got? Snoring block cat litter tray. I'm going to go with cat litter tray only because I think it will enable me to show you more. Cat litter. So, first thing what's interesting there, Athena, is it's called a box in the USA, not a tray. Probably a tray would be better for Australia, for instance. All right, so now we've got already, we've already got some sponsored products here. Okay, so we've got sponsored products. Notice, oh, that's interesting. Amazon is putting its own brand. They're so naughty, man. That sucks so much. There. They shouldn't be able to do that. That just sucks ass, in my opinion, that they get to do that. Anyway, whatevers. So let's just click onto this. So let's just open this one. Let's pretend that this is only just launched onto Amazon. So when things have only just launched on Amazon, they don't have any reviews. And typically their listings are not very well done either, all right? Actually, let's go back a step and let's use a real example rather than dicking about. So if we go down to newest arrivals, now what we're looking at is the things that have just launched on Amazon. Notice all of these haven't got reviews. They've just launched. They're just at that pre-phase where nobody's got what's necessary to start making sales. So what you do is this. Now this is a little bit labor intensive. There is a tool, but it's part and parcel of another tool to do it. So here is the product. Notice that we've now got the product URL. Let's just clear all that stuff out of the way. And if we scroll down, oh, of course it hasn't given us that. Bastards, God. Let's try one more. Sponsored products, here we go. Not sure why I didn't give us there. So you can run an Amazon PPC campaign on something called a placement campaign, which means you can put your product here. You can put your product here. Or you can put, your product, if he can highlight it, he can't. There, on this side part here. You can put your product there, okay, if you want to. And it's a really great thing to do. So what I do is this. I go and get all of these ASIN numbers, which is this part just here. That's your ASIN number there. Or if you don't want to get it from there, you can get it directly from the product details page. You get all those. And when a new product comes on, you run a placement campaign on it, or you add it to a placement campaign. And then what you're doing is, as the person who's trying to launch this product on Amazon, so this person here by Loviver, as they're getting traffic to their listing, what you're doing is you're getting a free ride on the back of their traffic by putting your advert into this position here, for instance, or into this position, doesn't have the sponsored products on there, here. Either way, you get a free ride. And because we already know that people prefer to buy products with a track record, it means that these campaigns kick ass. These campaigns kick ass. Now, granted, that is a bit of a pain in the arse to do. There is a tool that will allow you to do it. There's two. Helium 10 has got a thing in Cerebro that will allow you to pick new products and get the ASINs and download the aprons. And the other one is Seller Tools, I think. Seller Tools. Let me just check. Seller.tools. There you go. Seller Tools. Which, yeah. There you go. So they do it too. So either of those will do that for you if you want to do it. So that's a cool little Amazon hack that will allow you to get heaps and heaps of sales on the back of somebody else's traffic just by running a placement campaign on brand new products that have just been released, so you can pick up and scoop up their traffic and use it to make sales on your product. They work really, really well. The ACOS on them is staggeringly low. So give that a try. Hope that helps, Suzanne. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.